Hey guys, welcome to Alpha Tech, our new tech review channel. We aim to bring you latest updates from the tech world, so stay tuned for more interesting content. Today I'll be introducing a new social networking app called hello.com. It comes from the creator of Orkut. It's currently in its beta stage and will be moving out soon. Let's check it out. This app seems like a mix of Facebook, Pinterest and Instagram. You get to select 5 personas at a time, which you could change later if you wish. These include movie, arts, crafts, sports, engineering, etc. The UI is quite loud and has resemblance to some of the existing apps. Fill in the details and we are good to go. They have got fancy names for the usual stuff like persona and jorts. Persona is a general interest category like movie, music or sports. You can have maximum of 5 personas at a time. If you wish to join a new one, you will have to drop out of any other. Communities are more specific fields of interest that are created by other users. If arts is a persona, then something like oil painting would be a community. Communities might belong to one persona or more than one personas. Not all users can create a community. There are certain achievements to be unlocked before you can create your own community. More complex stuff like this will be explained in the next part. Folio is similar to your timeline, which is a personalized feed of content relevant to your chosen personas. You will find posts or jorts in Hello's language posted in the communities that you have joined or posted in the personas that you follow. You would also find jorts that your friends hearted in your folio. Connecting with friends. You can visit a friend's profile or a stranger's profile and you can send them a friend request. Works in the same old way. Notification shows new friend requests, accepted requests, jorts hearted, comments hearted, etc. It also shows your achievements or how close you are to them. Achievements are the tasks completed in each of the personas. Then there's karma. You earn karma points when people heart or comment on your content. It helps you level up. You can simply click on the plus icon on the right bottom of the folio and select the type of jot you want to post. Here I am posting an image. You can either post a jot into a maximum of 3 personas or you can post it in any one of the community that you follow. You can even tag your friends in the jot. So guys, that's all about getting started in Hello. But it doesn't end here. There is much more to explore and all that will be covered in the part 2 video. If you like this video, hit the like button and leave a comment below. And make sure you subscribe for more videos.